Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. For instance, of when night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rainfall, or when a singer sings. They all give pleasure to the mind and make it feel happy. See next stanza. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. It means beauty is not just outside, it is within. It is within. Deeds means act. Repeat means to happen again and again. Beauty is not always external or visible. It is within and it can be abstract also. One's views, good acts, one's wishes which one even imagines in dreams. Beauty can be one way of work or even the style of taking rest. Thus, beauty is very vast. It cannot be confined to one thing, rather, it is there in everything. We just need eyes and a heart to see it. Heart to see it. Listen, in this poem, the poet is trying to say in this poem that beauty is in everything. All the small things we do or the environment around us, everything has beauty in it. Everything has its own importance. All things are beautiful in their own unique way. Sunlight has its own beauty. Beauty can be seen in the growing corns, people who are working and dancing for getting good harvest. Beauty is not only seen but can also be heard or felt. When night falls, wind blows slowly, the sound of rainfall, or when a singer sings, they all give pleasure to the mind and make it feel happy. Beauty is not just outside, it is within. Beautiful is the self, our good deeds, happy thoughts. Please, everyone are all beautiful. Our dreams are also beautiful as they give us reason to advance and work with zeal. Beauty is in your style of work, the way you take rest and sleep. Beauty is everywhere, everything. It is in attitude, the way we look at things. Actually, everything is beautiful in its own unique manner. The needs is to feel it. Have you understood this poem? Yes. Take one note and write extract of this poem. Okay. Read this poem and study the extract. Take your English note. Take your English note. Write the heading of the poem. Beauty Unit 4 Poem Beauty Extract. First you have to write the poem some lines. Beauty is seen and even in your rest. The poet described the above stanza. First stanza the poet described in enjoy or beauty or life. Beauty is correct answer. Where beauty can seen according to the poet. A festival, harvest, travel. Answer is harvest. Third one, where cannot be heard beauty. Rainfall, piano, violin. Answer is rainfall. What is mean by real beauty according to him? Face, thoughts, dress. Answer is thoughts. Thoughts means good thinking, good habit. Fifth one, write the opposite of the word beauty. Ugly, nice, fair. Answer is ugly. First one answer is beauty. Second one answer harvest. Third one answer rainfall. Fourth one, answer thoughts. Fifth one, ugly. You should write neatly and correctly. Okay, study this extract and read this poem. Next class we will see. Thank you, student. Good morning, students. Welcome to 6th standard English class. Today we are going to see poem, Unit 4 poem. The title of the poem is Beauty. The title of the poem is Beauty. Written by E.A. Shore. Written by E.A. Shore. Do you know the meaning of the word beauty? Yes, it is very nice, beautiful, and good. Isn't it? Attractive. Do you know beauty is everything, isn't it? Nature is beauty. The lots of the stars looking very beautiful, isn't it? Here the poet explained the beauty has been defined. The poet says that beauty is there in everything. Now, to know more about beauty, let's read the poem. Okay, before read the poem, let's see about the author introduction. Okay, see the this poem was written by E.A. Shore. E.A. Shore. She was a writer, poet, and educator. She was writer, poet, and educator. She was born on 9th September 1926 in New Mexico. She was died on 21st July 2014 at the age of 87. Take page number 54. See the poem. The heading of the poem is Beauty. See first stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. It is very simple poem. Okay, listen. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Here the poet explained beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. It is the attitude of a person. It is the attitude of a person. Beauty is everywhere. Beauty is in everywhere or everything. It can be seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds. It can be seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the growing crops, people who dance to show their happiness when their grapes are ready. Here, corn means the chief cereal crop of wheat, oats, maize, barley, etc. Harvest means the time of the year when the crop is ready. Okay, listen. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. It is the attitude of a person. Beauty is everywhere. It can be seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, the growing crops, people who dance to show their happiness when their grapes are ready. See next paragraph. Beauty is here in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Sighing means sound of a deep, loud breath or exhale taken in relief. Chanting means singing. Here, beauty is a thing to be felt. It can be heard means one can listen to it. Like one can hear its sound when night falls, when the wind blows and creates a sound, when rain falls on the earth, when a singer sings, one can even feel in sincere and honest convocation of a person.